Elevate your RV experience with Lynx Essentials Pack, Ultimate Leveling System for Adventurers. Elevate your RV experience with Lynx Essentials Pack, Ultimate Leveling System for Adventurers. Embarking on an RV adventure, the Lynx Essentials Pack is your must-have companion for a smooth leveling journey. This comprehensive kit includes 10 Lynx Levelers for Lynx Cap N Chocks and to Lynx Stop and Chock wheel chocks, everything you need for reliable and effective stabilization. With over 30 years of trusted performance, this leveling system ensures your RV remains steady on any terrain, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip without the hassle of improper leveling. What sets the Lynx Essentials Pack apart is its superior design and unparalleled durability. Crafted to withstand tremendous weight, these leveling blocks provide a sturdy foundation for various RVs, trailers, and motorhomes. The interlocking chocks offer a self-positioning wheel guide, making it easier to park accurately. No more worrying about unsteady ground. This pack guarantees stability, ensuring you can set up camp confidently, whether you're on a flat surface or uneven terrain. Investing in the Lynx Essentials Pack means saving time and money on your outdoor adventures. With easy-to-use components, you'll spend less time fiddling with your setup and more time enjoying nature. The kit is designed for effortless storage, with included bags to keep everything organized and compact when not in use. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and hello to a lightweight, portable solution that elevates your RV experience without breaking the bank. Quality is at the forefront of the Lynx Essentials Pack. Each component is built to last, offering reliable performance through various weather conditions and terrains. Customers rave about the ease of leveling and appreciate the flexibility these products provide on slightly uneven surfaces. With Lynx, you can rest assured that your investment is in durable and effective products that will enhance your travels for years to come. Join countless satisfied RV enthusiasts who have made the Lynx Essentials Pack their go-to leveling solution. This all-in-one kit not only simplifies the leveling process, but also enhances your overall camping experience. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a trusted brand and an effective system, ensuring that your RV remains stable and secure. Elevate your adventures today with Lynx Essentials Pack, the ultimate choice for RV leveling.